Hello everyone, my name is Shomin Dubey. Welcome to my new project. Today I will show you how exactly my project is, and the second thing I will show my all files which is Python files, and the third things I will run my code properly in command prompt. Okay, so uh, this is the problem details of my project. The objective of this project is to set quizzes and allow users to take up the multiple choice quiz using command line. And there are some features in this project, like super users should be able to set up the questions and correct answer for the questions. Super users should be able to add questions based on the topics and difficulty level. The quiz should support MCQs type questions with single correct options. Users should be able to take up the quiz. So here I want to differentiate what is super users and what is users. Here users are the candidates or test taker which want to give the MCQs quiz. And here are super user which is admin like me, like who want to set the quiz. And the application should display the final scores and the right answer. When the user attempt a quiz, user means test taker or candidate, you can say, and a question needs to be fetched automatically from one set by admin. One set by admin like super users. Test taker details and the results should be displayed on the screen. At the end, the both things, the test taker details and the result should be displayed on the screen. So this is my project, which is 200 marks, and the passing grade is 140. So now I will show you my whole Python files, which is this. There are three files like main.py file, super.py file, and user.py file. In main.py file, I import both my super.py file and user.py file. And so first of all, I will show you my super.py file. In super.py file, I am using class super, and after that, there are some dictionaries. There are some empty dictionaries here, like GS questions easy. There is a dictionary, GS questions hard, which will be stored in this dictionary. Maths question easy, which will be stored in this dictionary, and maths question hard, which will be stored in this dictionary. There are some options like A, B, C, D, which will store in this dictionary, and there are super users, which will store super ID or super name. Then now GS questions easy. It's like as we all know, the dictionary is in the form of key and values. So here we can use questions as key, and answers as value, because we all know that keys are immutable. We cannot edit key and we cannot edit the questions. That's why we are using dictionary here. Talking about the define function, which is init function. uh, Init function directly called itself, like self, super id and super name, and we will store like this. Talking about the next procedure, which is set questions. Set questions is only for super user, which is admin. Now talking about what is in the defined set questions uh, in function, like I am using while loop here, and first question is this: input. Do you want to set quiz on some other topic? Yes or no? It's your choice. If quiz is equal to yes, then it will print like enter the topic you want to set on quiz, like you want to add quiz on GS or in mathematics. And then after that, it will require like difficulty level of this project, of this quiz. Enter the difficulty level of the quiz, either easy or hard. Talking about this if nested loop, this if nested loop, like topic. If topic is equal to GS and difficulty level is equal to easy, then it will ask you like number of questions, how many questions you want to enter or in your quiz. So I am using for loop here, for for looping the all questions which I have to use in my quiz. Talking about questions, then it will ask like input, enter the questions. What are some questions? Options. You have to import all the options, and this is super dot options questions is equal to option. Like super dot option, we are importing super class here, and here this is options. Options is in the form of dictionary, like we can say like question is in the form of key, and answer no, and options is in the form of values. So this is our options dictionary. So here I will I will append my dictionary, like uh, we can say super dot options questions is equal to options. And talking about answer input and enter the answer. You have to fill the answer of that particular question, and in this line we are importing super dot gs question easy, and here we will assign the answer. And this is the same loop which will use for maths easy questions, and this is the same loop which will use for maths hard question. And we will import here maths question hard question is equal to answer in our dictionary, in this dictionary. Okay, so this is our function like set questions. And talking about, and then we will see like else, which is break. And after this if function, if it will run one by one step, like if elif, and then it will break the loop and ask super user to are you want to add another questions. Okay, so add questions, it will ask like input, do you want to add questions, yes or no? And if you want yes, then enter the topic where you want to add it, gs or maths. And talking about difficulty level, it's easy or hard. Then if we are using here nested if loop, then topic dot lower, we are using here like if you want to print gs in a small letter, then it's okay, it will take as a smaller value. It's no, it's like we can use all type of characters here. Talking about questions, questions is equal to input, enter your questions, option is equal to input, enter your option separated by space. And this loop with this after this loop gs questions easy, and questions is equal to answer. So this is not this is not a big deal for us. And talking about this elif loop is same for elif loop is same like this if loop. It's here easy and it's here hard. And talking about this another loop which is for maths, and which is for maths hard. And then this will break the loop, break the if loop. Okay, so this is all about super.py file, which is basically used for admin. They're talking about now we have a task who want to take this task. So this file is basically for users, or we can say candidates, or we can say test takers. So here we are importing a super file, import from super. Okay, so here we have another class like user. We have users which we will take empty dictionary here for users detail, like user name and user id, for user id. And from starting there are marks of the user is obviously 0. If you don't give a test, then how can you find any type of number? Okay, so define init function same like in super.py file. And this is the new function which is defined, take quiz. This function is basically for users only. Okay, so choose what you want to choose. Enter the quiz you want to take, either GS or maths. And talking about level of difficulty level. You want to either it's easy or hard. It's totally depend on you what you want to give test. Like is in easy format or in hard format. Talking about this if loop, if you want to choose GS and you want to choose easy, then this this for loop will run and print the value. This val is basically our question, which is present in super.js questions easy is in this file. See, super.js question easy. Sorry, and print well. So, here there is another loop which is basically for our options, like nested for loop. For I in range, we will take length and super dot options like 1 2 3 4, many more options which you want to upload uh, on your test. And talking about answer or what you want to answer, you have to input here. And this is if loop. If loop is basically we are using to fill our dictionary, to put the values in our dictionary. And this is same like elif. This is for GS hard, and this is for maths easy. And we will put, you can see like user information is in this form. And talking about the next LF loop, which is like this. And here are one more interesting thing which you can find, like if you want to give a easy quiz, then you will get only 1 marks. And if you want to take a we can say hard quiz, then you will get 2 marks. Okay, so I will run my program, and then you will see my whole result. And this is the last function in this program, which is user.py, like define result. And this is the print statement. Easy questions having 1 marks is, and hard question having 2 marks is. And this is the result. Int input, enter your roll number. You have to give your roll number here. And this is the print statement where what will print after running my program. And this is all about the questions which you will attempt in your quiz. And this is main.py file. A two I will take two object here, which is object 1 and object 2. Object 1 is basically for our super user, and object 2 is basically for candidate, or we can say users. So this is a time I will show how my project work in command prompt. Okay, so I will open my command prompt. And this is py main dot py. And you can see, hey, Divyanshu, you can set the quiz. Do you want to set quiz on some other topic? Yes, I want to set. Yes, I want to set. Okay. Enter the topic which you want to set on quiz. Yes, I want to set on GS because I love GS. And enter the difficulty level, either it's easy or hard. So I love GS, so I will take hard quiz for all the candidates. Okay, so how many questions you want to set on quiz? Yeah, I will provide 3 here. Okay, so enter the questions. Enter the questions. So I will give questions like uh, who is PM? Who is PM of? Who is PM in our country? Guys, please don't take these questions so seriously, because this is just example. Like you can say this is not an hard question for us. Okay, so the next option is enter your options separated by space. Separated by space, so we can take like first options like Rahul. Uh, we can take first option like Rahul. Second options like Narendra. Narendra Modi. Third options, Arvind. And fourth option is Amit Shah. So these are our four options. Enter the answer. So I am super user, so I have to provide the answer. So the right answer is Narendra Modi, which is option number 2. Uh, enter the question. Enter the next question. So my next question: what is color of sky? So color of sky. So enter your options separated by space. Yeah. So either it's blue, it's black, it's brown, it's red. So as we all know, the right answer is option number 1. Talking about the next question, which is like who can say who is our president? So who is our president? So the first option is Hamid Ansari. Second option is Ramnath Kovind ji. So we can select Kovind. And third option is APJ Abdul Kalam sir. And fourth option is we can say Vipin Rawat. Okay, it's all right. And what is the option? Our option is option number 2. Answer is option number 2. So the next question is: do you want to set quiz on some other topic? Yes. No. I don't want to set another topic. I already take GS here. So do you want to add questions? Yes, I want to add one question which was forgot at the time of uh, when I was set this quiz. So here I will GS, and it's hard. And enter the question. So who is Azid Dobar? Space like as we all know, NSA, Indian Army Chief, Indian Air Force Chief, Indian Naval Chief. Indian Naval Chief. So enter the answer. Answer is option number 1. So he's asking like, do you want to add questions? No, I don't want to add another questions right now. Enter the questions you want to take, either GS or maths. Now this is the time when a candidate or users can take the quiz. Enter the questions you want to take, either GS or maths. So I want to give GS quiz here, and enter the difficulty level you want. You want either easy or hard. So I want hard because I love GS. So the first question is who is PM in our country? As we all know, the option number 2 is Narendra Modi. What is the color of sky? We all know that color of sky is option number 1. So here, who is our president? We all know he is Kovind, Ramnath Kovind ji. But I will select here option number 1 because of wrong answer. And who is Ajit Doval? And Ajit Doval is NSA, so I will put 1 here. So here is the time. Easy questions having 1 marks each, and hard question having 2 marks each. So I selected hard questions, so I will get 2 marks of each question. So enter my roll number. Roll number is 1. So yes has obtained 6 marks. So how can yes has obtained 6 marks? Because these are the questions which yes was given, like who is our PM? So Narendra Modi. So answer is 2. It's correct. What is the color of sky? It's blue. It's correct. Who is our president? It's Owen, but just select one. So it's wrong. And who is Ajit Doval? He is NSA National Security Advisor. So the answer is one. So this is all about my project, guys. Hope you liked it, and I will share my GitHub link on my description box. Thank you and have a nice day.